Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard ice cream commercially. First, you'll need to understand the key equipment and ingredients involved. We'll then walk through the step-by-step process, from mixing your base to freezing. Finally, we'll cover the crucial hardening and storage techniques to ensure your product is perfect. This guide will help you produce delicious, high-quality hard ice cream efficiently and safely for your business. To begin, you'll need a commercial batch freezer, which is vital for achieving that perfect hard ice cream texture. Pasteurization equipment is also essential for food safety, ensuring your mix is free from harmful bacteria. For ingredients, always opt for fresh, high-quality dairy, sugar, and stabilizers. Don't forget premium flavorings. Consistency here is key for a repeatable, delicious product. The production process starts by thoroughly mixing all your ingredients to create a uniform ice cream base. Next, pasteurize this mix to ensure it's safe for consumption, eliminating any potential bacteria. After pasteurization, age the mix for a minimum of 4 hours. This step significantly enhances flavor and texture. Finally, freeze the aged mix in your commercial batch freezer until it reaches the desired soft-serve consistency. Once your ice cream is frozen to a soft consistency, quickly transfer it to a blast freezer for hardening. This rapid freezing prevents large ice crystals from forming. Maintain your hardening freezer at a temperature between -10 and -20 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. Always package your finished ice cream in clean, food-grade containers and clearly label each product with its production date for proper inventory management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.